Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, depending where you're watching me from. This is Odi, the Zambian guy. I would like to welcome you to my channel. I hope you are all okay. It's the season, it's the growing season again. Oh, I can't even talk. It's the growing season again, and we are now in March. I've started off my chilies. These are my Moringa scorpions. As you can see, I've got them under my grow lights. Though I have enough light here in the conservatory, I just thought, well, let me try these lights this year. I bought these lights off eBay. We'll see how they are doing, how they're gonna do. I've got my Moringa scorpions, which I started off around the 10th of February. And what I had done was I just put them in a tissue and covered them, wet the tissue, which is kitchen roll really, kitchen roll or kitchen towel, rolled it up, spread it with water and put it in a bag, and it stayed there for almost, I think it's almost 3 weeks before the seeds started shooting. When they started shooting, I then took them out and I planted them here. As you can see, some of them still have the I don't know whether to say the cover of the seeds, but yeah, they are doing okay. They look happy. They're all coming through. Look at this one, they're coming through. Yeah, so here I've got over about 24 plants. I'm still waiting for 1, 2, 3 have not come through yet, but I'm expecting them to come through in the next day or so. And then in here I've got another variety of chilies. These are called jigsaw brain. I bought these off Chilli Champ. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that have come through so far. I'm still waiting for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 that have not come through. He did give me extra seeds, and these extra seeds are called peach something. They're called peach stand disc. I don't even know how to pronounce that. But these are seeds that he gave me free of charge. So I'm gonna grow them and see how they do. So see, these ones, it's the first time I'm growing the jigsaw brain. I believe the jigsaw brain is supposed to be hotter than the Moringa scorpion. We are yet to see. Moringa scorpion is very, very hot. So we'll see whether the jigsaw brain beats the hotness of these. So I'll continue giving you updates as we go through the planting season, and just an update now on how the seedlings are doing. You've seen in the earlier videos where I was planting these seeds. They've done very well. These ones are the moringa scorpion in the first tray, and in the smaller tray, if you watched my previous videos, this is where I was planting the new variety that I got from Chilli, which are called CC Jigsaw Brain. I had 11 seeds that I was given, and so far I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 that have germinated, which is not too bad. So of all the seeds that I was given by him, I bought from him, I've got, I think, 9 that have germinated, not 8, sorry. So the germination rate is very good. Yeah, that's very good. So it's only 2 that have not germinated. This one and that one there. That's all. Otherwise, everything else, all the others have germinated. As for the moringa scorpions, these are the moringa. These were my own seeds that I harvested last year from my plant. These I have got over 30 that have germinated. There's only 1 that hasn't germinated there, but the rest of the seeds have all germinated, which is a very good germination rate. I'm very happy with that, very happy with my seeds. So now, even if I was to start selling off my seeds, I would be confident that the seeds that I would sell somebody would germinate. So I've got over, let me see if I can count how many I've got. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35 that have germinated. I've got some area place I'd put, like in this one, I'd put 3 seeds, and all the 3 seeds have germinated. In these ones, you can see there are 2. Even that one, there are 2. That one there, there's 2. So you can see I'd put more seeds in others. It's just that I didn't have the space where to. I had more seeds than the size of the tray, so I put 2 in some of the spots or the trays. I don't know what you call them. So they've all germinated, except, like I said, for this one here. Don't know whether it will germinate or that one completely failed. But yeah, it's a very good germination rate. So we'll see how these do. I will see how many I can transplant and put in bigger pots when they are ready for bigger pots. I may not keep everything. I may give away some or sell off some to people who are interested. But yeah, then I can, if I can grow these ones, then I can be able to harvest quite a lot of seeds by the end of the season, which hopefully then, maybe, you never know, I can sell off next year. Okay, so I'll keep you updated with this as we go through the growing season. Yeah, so from me, it's Odi the Zambian guy. Take care and God bless, and enjoy the gardening.